Doing.
You've reached the voicemail of Jeffy. Please leave a message after the
Jeffy, it's time for you to do your chores, so go do your chores right now.
For English, press 1. For Spanish, press 2.
Jeffy, I'm not playing this game.
You chose Spanish.
No, I chose English.
Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Stop speaking Spanish, Jeffy.
We've interrupted your program. This is a high wind warning. What? High wind warning in Del Mar Lightningsword, Santa Monica Lightningsword. Where? Downtown Santa Monica, Venice Beach, Venice in Santa Monica. Who? Ends in September 1st.